Yo, what's poppin', people? Your boy Snacks is back in the building with another banger. You know how we get down, man. It is what it is. Y'all know what to do. Do your boy solid. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. And do not forget to turn your post notification bell on so you'll know when your boy is going live or dropping this heat. Y'all already know what time it is, man. We drop banger after banger after banger. And you know we trying to get to 20K before the new year ends. So go ahead, do your boy solid. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. And y'all know we got these haters. And y'all know I like to put the haters up front. Y'all have seen this hater. And this might be a new hater that I have to check in on from time to time and see what they do. But the hater is crying, telling Coach Prime he really need to chill out about Travis not winning the Thorpe because the Thorpe don't matter. Like, dude, what the hell are you talking about? The Thorpe don't matter. If that's your position, then it matters. If you playing running back, then the running back award matters. If you playing quarterback, then the Davey O'Brien matters. No matter position, if you the best at your position, you won't get up. But for some reason, Travis was left out of the award. And this idiot has a problem with Coach Prime bringing it up or even saying something about it. But y'all, hey, I just find them and put them on Front Street for y'all to do y'all thing. You know what I'm saying? Everybody has an opinion, and I ain't mad at you for having your opinion, but it's these local dudes. It's the dudes that's in the city or in the surrounding areas that always have the biggest gripes. I'm gonna need for y'all to chill out. Either you gonna get down or you gonna lay down. But that's how Sean Keeler lost his accents, complaining about stuff you had no business complaining about. But we gonna put y'all in the mix. Y'all ready to go? Let's get it.
Incoming. Welcome to the future of Colorado football.
Now, just in case you don't remember Coach Prime or what he said or what happened when Travis was left off the Jim Thorpe Award, which is the award for the best cornerback in the country. But Travis is up for more than a Thorpe. He's up for 6 other awards. But you leave him off the award for his position, mainly. His main position, well, he got 2. He played wide receiver and corner. But let's hear what Coach Prime.
The Walter Camp Player of the Year, Maxwell Player of the Year, Bednarik Defense Player of the Year, Blendnicott Best Receiver, regardless of position, and was snubbed by the Thorpe. How? How is Travis Hunter snubbed by the Jim Thorpe Award? You can have my award, you can have it back. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give him mine. I ain't using it, just sit up there collecting dust. So Travis could have my Thorpe Award because if this ain't the most idiotic thing in college football, that he's not a finalist for the Jim Thorpe Award, and he is, I would say arguably, but I don't think it's really an argument about this young man being the best defensive back in college football. I ain't saying nothing about the receiver part of it. I'm just talking about defensive back. He rarely gets thrown at. He's won a game for tackling for us, and he's always on point. So if you bring up the statistics, I don't know how in the world is Travis Hunter not a finalist for the Jim Thorpe Award. They just pretty much messed up all the integrity of the award, and he could have mine. Whoever's voting down there, who's ever bringing it home, thank you, because I don't even want mine now. God bless you. On that.
Now, that's all fact. And why wouldn't you be upset when you truly are the best in the business. See, most players would appreciate their coach riding for them like that, in that manner. But that just speaks to who Coach Prime is. That just speaks to his character and his care for his players. But this idiot got something to say. He don't like it. Y'all don't believe me once again. I have to show and prove. So we're gonna put the idiot on Front Street, and I'm gonna let y'all beat him up in the comment section, or whenever he live, you go over there and beat him up. Cause I was beating him up when he was talking this talk. You know, I was in the live stream. It wasn't but me and two other people. And I was busting his head, but you know, here you go.
Absolutely hate to see that. Something else I wanted to touch on real quick with the Buffaloes is Deion and his feelings about the Jim Thorpe Award. Travis didn't get onto the finalist list. He's the favorite and obviously a finalist for the Heisman Trophy. The Jim Thorpe Award, I get it. When you're a DB, when you're plugged in deep the way they're plugged in into college football, it means a lot. But when you ask a college football fan, in fact, do it over the weekend. You're going to be sitting at Thanksgiving dinner, right, with your family. Ask anybody if they know what the Jim Thorpe Award is. The answer is no, they don't. But they know what the Heisman is, and Travis is going to win that dang thing. So, yeah, is the committee, and it's the Oklahoma State Hall of Fame committee that decides who's on that list. If they got it wrong, whatever. They got it wrong. It's the Jim Thorpe Award. Let's not act like it's the end-all be-all or it's the Heisman Trophy. He's going to win the Heisman, and that trumps what the Jim Thorpe Award is. Are they foolish? Does it make them look silly for not having him on the list? Yeah, absolutely. But it's not the end of the world. He's going to win the freaking Heisman. Everything's okay, Prime. And if you really are going to give him the trophy, because Deion won one back in '89, there's a fun YouTube video for them, right? Just the handoff. He comes in and steals his shoes all the time. So why not come in and steal the trophy that's been collecting dust for 35 years that Deion has had? So it's all good. I'm not mad about the Jim Thorpe Award. He's going to New York City. He's bringing the Heisman to Colorado. I'm going to feel pretty dang good about that. So Buffalo fans, you should feel the same way I feel. It's not about y'all anymore. It's not about me and what I want to see. And it's dang sure not about Prime and his bowl record. It's about those guys being NFL players Friday afternoon at 1:30 and doing anything and everything that they can to make themselves the best NFL prospect that they can. Playing in a bowl game that means nothing, even though Miss Peggy would love it, that's not the route. And that's not what they're going to do. And that's not what they should do. Hey, you're here.
Listen, man. See, people like this shouldn't have radio shows. Really shouldn't have opinions. This award is not for the people. We don't care about the people caring about this award. This award is for an individual that is one of the best at their given position. They give out radio host awards every year. And if you are the best in that field, if you garner those numbers, if you garner that type of audience, you want to be respected and known for what you do. You want to be awarded for being great at your position, whether it be a paycheck, whether it be a yearly award or a nomination. But for Travis to be a finalist for the best defensive player of the year, and he's not a finalist for the Jim Thorpe Award, how can you be the best defensive player of the year, but not one of the best at your position? It doesn't compute. It doesn't calculate. It literally doesn't make sense. And you sitting up here talking about, well, it's just a Jim Thorpe. True, but it means something. But see, this is a person that has a job who just does a job. He doesn't care how good he is at his job. He's just there to collect the paycheck. See, but when you play a sport which is a team sport that also gives individual accolades, when you are the best of the best, you want that acknowledgement. There's not a player in the world that can tell you that they don't. If you are the best and considered to be the best, you would like to be acknowledged for being that. And that's what the Jim Thorpe Award does. It says here, you the man, take this. And there's also other privileges that comes with winning that award, which you don't understand and you don't know about. Just like there are other privileges that comes with being the best radio host in your city. But you wouldn't know that because you don't give a shit. And you're not him. See, when you him, things matter. But like I said, idiots like this, they always got a job and they always got an opinion. And they're never on the right side of mostly anything. Because he's currently trying to be somebody, make a name for himself. So Dover in Denver, you suck. Bottom line, point blank, period. But y'all let me know what y'all think about Dover, punk ass in Denver. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll let your boy. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what to do. Hey, my birthday next week. What we gonna do for that? Should we live stream or what? I don't know. Next Tuesday is my birthday, so we got to figure some things out. But I'm going to holler at y'all. I'm out. Peace.
God bless you all, man. Be safe.